When it comes to using Dupli-Color products, we always talk about restore, restyle, and protect when it comes to your individual projects. Now, if you take a look at this, this is obviously a restore job because there's a pretty good whack right here in the front end of this thing. So here's the thing. You've got to take a look at the scope of your project, though, right? And if it's small, if it's like a scratch or a nick, they've got the scratch fix all in one. It's perfect for that. If you've got a bigger job like we have here today, where we're going to yank this whole fender off and put a new one on there and just replace the whole thing, that is where we're going to use Perfect Match. It's the perfect way to match up the paint on the vehicle. To ensure that you get the vehicle's perfect OEM color match, you've got to get your vehicle's paint code. Now, in this case, and in most cases, it's right inside the door jamb. It's a little sticker right there. Like on this one, it's right there on the door. So once you have that, you can go to Dupli-Color's website, or you can go into your automotive retailer and check the catalogs that they will have there, or simply ask the individual behind the counter, say, hey, here's my vehicle's paint code. Can you help make sure that I get the right paint for the job? And then once you have that, you are ready to start the work. We've got about 3 light coats on here at this point, and as you can see, the color's coming back. It's looking really good. We are going to have to lay on a little bit more, but that's what I like about using the Perfect Match from Dupli-Color. It is so easy to use. It's a high-quality paint. It's fast drying. It's an acrylic lacquer, and it's all in the aerosol can. Again, it doesn't get any more simple than this. We let the paint dry, and then once that was ready to go, we put on a couple layers of clear, and we're going to go ahead and let this dry for a while. Once we get to the point where we can handle that, we'll put it back on the vehicle. The goal is to get that OEM color back to your damaged vehicle. So this looks great. Look at the before and after. I'm super happy with this. Now, as far as the rest of the repairs, I'm going to go ahead and leave those to Bruno.